Namaskar, how are you all doing today? Okay, so even before I started, shuffling the cards are coming up. That means there is some strong message which you people have to understand and listen. The cards that's popped up is Two of Cups, popped up are Two of Cups and Queen of Wands. अभी ये cards में मैं यही बोल सकती हूँ that you will see some sacred union, okay? And also, if you are somebody, if a lady is watching this, if we have female viewers, then I would say that it's time for you to invoke the energies of that boss lady. It's time for you to focus on your career while you are also focusing on your personal life, but your career also needs attention, and go get it. So you have to remember that you are the boss lady and you will get what you want, provided you have those energies fine with you. So sometimes what happens is we completely forget who we are. We'll take all the judgments from across the world, across the globe. ये क्या बोल रहा है, वो क्या बोल रहा है, इसको क्या करना है, उसको क्या करना है, सब के बारे में सुनेंगे लेकिन खुद की भूल जाएंगे. So now is the time where you have to focus on what exactly your energies are, how beautiful a person you are, and what you can achieve in life and how you can grow in your life. Okay, so focus on being that boss lady, invoke that power, that feminine power within you, and go ahead in your life. And also you have a sacred union, so this is a wonderful time for you to have a great combination of career growth as well as your personal life. So this is for the ladies, what I mentioned. But if there are some male who are watching this, I have male viewers, then for them I would just say that be careful with the lady in your life, because she is going to come in that avatar, that power. She's going to show that power where you will actually surrender. You will start feeling so overwhelmed with her energies, or should I say that you will really understand the beauty of the feminine power. So it's all about, अभी नवरात्रि गया, अभी दीपावली आ रहा है जहाँ पे हम लक्ष्मी पूजा करने वाले हैं, तो समझ लो कि माँ दुर्गा जाते जाते लक्ष्मी अवतार देके जा रही है. So she will start becoming a career woman, and if there is a need required, if your spouse or your partner wants to grow in her career, please support her. You don't have to actually do anything much. You just have to nod your head and things will go fine. Because honestly, no woman needs anybody's permission. In fact, for that matter, I would say no soul needs anybody's permission. It is we people who give the control to the other person. It is we people who give the authority to the other person to control us. So the blame is ourselves, not the other person, not the person who's controlling us. It's all about we make the choice and we give the control to others. So people who are watching this is a lesson for all of you out there, that do not let go of your control. Be in that control, you can have your own control with yourself, and things will be smoother and better for you. And of course, beautiful cards. So focus on your career as well as your personal life. Things are getting better and better. Okay, and to support, I have this beautiful oracle deck with me, which is called the Sacred Creators. Let's see what message does these cards have for you guys. Okay, the spark of hustle. The more you hustle, the spark is right there. You got to work hard, you got to be that smart in your approach, so that you got to overcome some hurdles, only to see how beautiful the life is across the mountains, and then enjoy that life, enjoy the view, be happy with whatever is coming in your life. Okay, take care and keep creating. Love yourself and stay safe this Deepavali. Take care.